Hello everyone, today we're going to be opening up LEGO Minifigures The Muppets 6-pack. So let's get started. So when we open it up, we have 6 different packs of Muppets blind bags. Let's start with the first one. We got Beaker, so let's build him up. Here he is all built up. So now, let's go on to the second one. Inside the second one we have the Swedish chef. So let's build him. Here's the Swedish chef all built up. I especially like this piece right here. Okay, so now on to the third one. In the third pack, we have none other than Gonzo the Great, so let's build him up. Here's Gonzo all built up. He also has Camilla with him. And so now on to the fourth pack. The fourth pack has Fozzie, so let's build him up. So here's Fozzie all built up. He definitely has more pieces than the other ones that have been built, but now it's time for the fifth pack. So the fifth pack has Janice, so let's build her up. Now that she is built, it's on to the sixth and final pack. Finally, we have Waldorf, so let's build him up one last time. So here he is, all built up. And here's a quick view of all of the ones we got today. Thanks for watching. See you later.